After tackling those huge outdoor projects, our Greek house was looking great from the street. But as with any renovation, you are never truly finished.
So in this video, we're doing the 5 big and small DIY transformations that finally brought the heart back into this home.
Let's get started on the first task that made this space feel like home.
This is one of our bedrooms, which had become the house's unofficial dumping ground. There was garden furniture, random ornaments, you name it. The walls were looking quite tired. They were crying out for attention. And honestly, it was the last place you'd want to end the day. So first things first, we stripped it all back to nothing. Completely blank slate. Then came the prep work, filling holes, sanding down rough patches, all of the tedious bits that nobody really films, but absolutely make or break the final result. For the paint, we chose a crisp white to really open the place up and let the light bounce around. 2 coats in and the transformation was already looking pretty dramatic. Instead of splashing out on new furniture, we gave what we had a second life. A thorough clean, fresh paint and some updated handles really helped to modernise what we had. We kept things quite minimal with clean bedding and a few carefully chosen accessories from a nice shop up the road called JYSK. And it really helped tie the whole room together. So here is the final result. Nothing overcomplicated, but the difference is like night and day. It's gone from storage chaos to an actual sanctuary, somewhere that you genuinely want to retreat to at the end of the day. So with one room properly sorted, it was time to tackle the heart of the house, the main living space. So this is our living room. When we first arrived here, it looked like a really dingy British living room, didn't it? And we didn't want that.
No, the walls were kind of a 90s, maybe if I'm being generous, peach. And we've got quite an old, very large velour sofa and armchair that take up most of the room in this room.
But we're on our way to getting it where we want it to be. We've done the first phase, we've brightened it up. We're happy with how it feels to sit in now. So there's lots of light coming in.
Yes, Chris is right. The white brightness and the amount of light that comes in has lifted this room massively, and I look forward to getting into the decorating phase and finishing her off.
Big moment coming up for us. This sign has done some mileage, hasn't it?
Yeah, we found this, as I'm sure you've seen, buried in the garden in the villa.
Yep.
And we didn't have time to paint it whilst we were here, so it travelled all the way back to the UK with us, sat in our house for about 6 months because we didn't find a moment to do it, and then decided we needed to get it back out here and done. So here it is, back in Greece.
Just to hear your voice on the phone, I think of you, and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue.
Yay!
I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you.
There we go.
Yeah, I know.
It's definitely a yay. Well done.
Piece of heaven.
We're off to see a man about an air conditioning unit.
Another project we tackled this year was installing a couple of air conditioning units into our second and third bedrooms.
Thanks to the power of social media, we met a lovely couple who were selling their units from their guest house in Latakia. Using some really rudimentary tools, we cut holes in the wall, ready for the vents. As is the Greek way, our neighbour called a beer break and came to see what I was up to.
Hey!
Morning.
How are you? Oh, thank you. How hot?
Good.
Hot.
How you going? Busy, eh?
So the neighbours just come and say hello. Bought me a beer. I've not had breakfast yet though, so yeah, I might leave that for now.
The aircon units worked like a charm. We had family over and a packed villa. There's no way we could have done this without these units.
But you stay cold as ice, cold as ice.
Our front door was the last piece of woodwork that was still wearing that rather oppressive dark green paint we'd spent so long covering elsewhere. We have 2 front doors, an outer mosquito screen door and the main entrance behind it. We set about transforming them, starting with a thin undercoat, followed by several generous layers of crisp white exterior paint. The door hardware was carefully removed and soaked in white spirit to strip away decades of old paint, then sanded smooth and treated with multiple coats of rust protector. With that finishing touch, we've now carried our blue and white Greek theme through the entire exterior of the house, and we couldn't be happier with how vibrant and welcoming it looks now.
It's amazing how much difference those 5 changes make. Getting the sign back up, repainting that old door. Those are the things that finally make this space feel like home.
Which of those 5 fixes was your favourite transformation? And if you enjoyed the journey, please hit subscribe now.
Now, if you missed how we got the outside looking this good, you can click right here to watch the 5 massive outdoor DIYs that started this whole project.